Hello. This is the Chicago blizzard that we're supposed to be having. I don't know the temperature, and if I exit out of the camera on my phone, I think I might lose you guys. I don't know how much battery left, and we're on the bus. I brought this kid along with me, and we're trucking along. So after waiting 20 minutes for our bus, we are freezing. Yeah, my hands are red. There's a crap load of traffic. And I'll get back to you when we're on our mysterious journey to my house. Hello. And we are back. The blizzard is still going. And we're getting off.
Yep.
Gracias.
Oh, he didn't say anything.
Alright, so we're going to... Oh my gosh. Look who's here.
Who?
It's Help for Civilization. I'm covering up my phone.
Your ma?
Shut up.
It's your ma. How's that help for civilization?
Would you rather take the long way or go under this tree? Ow!
I'll go around.
Oh, snow is so deep. It's this side, it's this side. We found an abandoned car.
It's your car.
Get in the car. I brought Dean. There's an evil beast in the back of the car.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're probably going to do it in June.
I'll get back to you.
Yeah.
And the blizzard still continues here. I just blow on my driveway. And I think we got another good 1/3 in that time. So you can see my get up here. Got my mom's glasses and a ski mask. So yeah, it's still coming down pretty good. You'd be surprised if we got another 5 feet. So yeah, I'll check back in
It's
later.
the stuff that really messes you up, this, because you can't see. Grandpa shows up with Uncle Mike's snowblower at like 4:30 in the afternoon. Hey, can you get this thing running? And it's got all this old fuel in it.
Oh, Grandpa.
Yeah, I said, yeah, great. I go, you wait till you have a blizzard, in the middle of a blizzard, to get your snowblower running. You know, that's smart.
Well, he's used to the old way. Do it by hand.
Oh yeah, he was over there busting. Well, that's the right way to, you know, you go ahead and you shovel it, dude. Just aggravates me because he has nothing to do, and he waits till the last minute when everybody knew the snowstorm was coming.
Well, they didn't tell
I
us.
wanted to leave work.
But you're fixing that thing?
What's that?
You're fixing that snowblower?
Yeah, it's like, you know, I want to leave
Is that a
work.
backhoe?
Yeah. Nice machine. Somebody's got a complaint on it. Good for you.
Was that even part of the city or just some person?
I don't know. These cities get a big storm like this, they'll contract with anybody. If I had a backhoe or a snowplow, they'd pay me to go out and plow.
I
Just
would
to
too.
keep up with it. Yeah, just to make a lot of money.
Well, your tractor? Is that what you used or?
No, I had a snowplow on some of the trucks I had.
Oh. Was that lightning?
Might have been. They're supposed to have lightning.
We have just finished eating.
Yeah.
And now we're in my house. The snow is piled up probably another inch. And our doors are freezing shut.
It's scaring me.
Our windows have frost around it. I don't know. Oh my god. It's like Dead Space. And it was coming through our door, so we had to close it. Damn, it's cold over here. So will we get trapped? The world might never. We're back again, and it is 11 o'clock at night, and that was pretty cool. And snow just came through the side of my door. And that's how high the snow is now. It's pretty crazy.
Pretty awesome.
If we look out the back, let's see if I can turn off the lights. Ah, the snow's like coming through the door. No, it's this one. Alright. You can see outside. That's the window and it's up to it. Dean is trapped in my house, playing with the squirrel. Still blowing pretty good. Let's see if we can get it coming through the door. That was pretty cool. It's still coming out. Put your hand right here. Oh my god.
It's a little bit nippy.
My hand is like all wet now.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, it's pushing pretty hard. That looks pretty cool. Oh, dang. Oh, that was cold.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, now my feet are like a little bit wet.
Oh, there's some snow on the inside. Some snow that we did.
So yeah, we'll come back even later. Okay, play some Dead Space too.
Yeah, and read the Odyssey.
And write a journal about it.
Yeah. So 5.
Yeah. Alright, so we'll probably come back at 12 or 1. So see you. Alright, we're back. It's about 12:30. And well, the snow is still coming down. Camera's out of focus. But the snow piles gotten higher. I think it stopped coming through the door. It's pretty much the same height. It's still snowing, so I'll probably come back tomorrow morning and see how it all looks. Does it look any different over there?
No,
Well, I guess it got a little higher over there.
a little higher over there, but not too much.
Yet again, it's only been an hour. So we'll come back tomorrow. Bye.